Good morning, everyone. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Keaton. What's going on? As you guys can see, I'm taking it back to 2000 whatever YouTube, and we're doing a college morning routine here. You guys seem to really like these. I did a summer morning routine. You guys were like, I miss these. So we're bringing it back because you guys asked for it all the time, and I've been meaning to film one, but I hadn't really gotten into the routine of life yet here. So I was kind of just like waiting until I got my life together. But I'm gonna go put my contacts in now because my glasses are creating this really hideous glare. I just woke up. I have class this morning at 9, and then my next class is at 1:30, so we're gonna have a little break in between. But I need to put my contacts in and get some food or coffee. Ooh, let's do coffee first. Okay, a boy with my hair like this. I don't like it. I just put my contacts in, and I'm gonna wash my face real quick because I think you should always wash your face in the morning and at night, duh. I used to not do that actually. I used to just like wake up and go because I was like, all I did was sleep in the middle of the night, but that's not true. Your face is still crusty when you wake up, so if you think you're clean, you're not. So I'm gonna be using the new Vanity Planet Ultimate Skin Spa Facial Cleansing System. Before you guys get mad at me about doing anything sponsored in a morning routine, don't, first of all, like that's not allowed. Second of all, I'm actually really excited to show you guys this because you guys know that I only use like a, what is it called? Like I only exfoliate when I take my makeup off or when I am getting ready for the day. Like if I'm washing my face, I really like exfoliating because I have really dry skin, so it always is like flaking off and it's crusty. I'm not gonna go into details, but I'm gonna be using the Vanity Planet Ultimate Skin Spa today. So the first brush, it comes with 3 brushes. The first one I'm gonna use is the cleansing brush. Yeah, the cleansing brush. This one is the exfoliating brush. I can't pick this up because of my nails. So this one is the exfoliating brush, and this one is the silicone brush. The silicone is my absolute favorite because if you guys know, I use a cleansing oil to take my makeup off. So I put the, I use a cleansing oil to take my makeup off at night, and when I put the cleansing oil on, it breaks it down, and then I use a silicone bristle brush to scrub it off because it's more gentle on your skin and it actually breaks down the makeup. So this is my favorite for makeup. This is more like when I'm feeling like I really want like a deeper clean on my face, and the cleansing one is the one that I use mostly like every day so that it really like gets in there and helps me fight blemishes, because as you guys know, that's why I went dairy free. I am just trying to get rid of this acne and things like that, and it's gone down so much. I'm gonna insert a picture here of what it looked like a week ago before I started using the Vanity Planet cleanser, and I genuinely think it's because I was not cleaning my face enough. Like I was just taking my makeup off or like using a wipe and then like putting serums and moisturizers on top of it, and it wasn't cleansing my face enough. But now that I have this and it gets in there and I actually like can see it on the brush and in the sink that it's like wiping away, I know that it's working and it's cleaning my skin up. So what we're gonna do before we go to class, let me open this door because I need some more lighting in here. Oh, I don't like that reflection. We're gonna keep it close. Keep it close. Wet it over here. So I'm gonna use this Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying Clay Cleanser Mask. So it's a cleanser and a mask, but I like it a lot as a cleanser. I like it as a mask too, but today I like it as a cleanser. So I'm gonna put it on the brush. See, hold it to your skin before you start it. So then you press it, and then you cleanse. You can also do more speeds. This obviously it just depends on, you know, what you like and how much cleansing you want done. The exfoliating one is a little bit, sorry, I need to pause it to talk to you. The exfoliating one is obviously a little bit more of a deeper cleanse, but I really like this one because I feel like it's just enough. So it comes with a traveling case, which I really love because then it makes it just easier to travel with your skincare, because sometimes I don't bring certain things because I don't know how to pack it in my bag, but because this already has the traveling case with it, it's perfect. I also have the code for you guys. It is Keaton 70. You guys can get 70% off. I'm not giving you Keaton 10, Keaton 5, Keaton 4. You guys are getting Keaton 70, so you guys can get 70% off on this if you guys want. I will link it down below. it really is a product that I'm interested in. You guys know I'm not just talking to talk. I really am interested in making my skin better and actually clearing my skin up. You guys know because I talk about it in almost every single video, and I really feel like this is making a difference in my skin, and obviously I want you guys to feel that way too, so you guys can use my code. I will link it in the description bar below. My room is a mess, and I know it doesn't seem like that much of a mess to you, but it's just not up to par with how I like it. So we're gonna come back from class and do some cleaning, some tidying up. If you guys didn't read on Twitter, I'm dairy free now, or I posted about it on my Instagram because I'm one of those people who like needs to proclaim that I'm dairy free now. So I'm using this new creamer, and it's almond milk creamer, and I kind of like it, but I feel like I could find ones that are better. So if you guys know, if any of you guys are dairy free, comment in the comments down below and let me know like what are the best dairy-free products to eat. I also have dairy-free cream cheese, which I'm probably going to eat this morning with my bagel, probably after class. But I really want to know good dairy-free products to eat. I have dairy-free ice cream. Like, I have so much stuff that I bought that's dairy-free. But I want to know some good things. What are some chocolate alternates? Because I've been struggling with that. I have these organic chocolate covered bananas. It's like not really chocolate, and they're really good, but it's like the only thing I could find. So let me know some dairy-free products. But yeah, just made my coffee. So this is my beautiful Alpha V backpack that I just used to put all my stuff in, which I have nothing in. So I'm gonna come over here. This is the only thing that I'm bringing to class. This is my planner. You guys always ask me where it's from. It's an Erin Condren planner, and I just write out things every week. Oh, look how cute. This is what I use as like my bookmark. It's so cute, guys. I don't even know when that's from. I think that's the last Christmas or something. But yeah, I just write out all my stuff, and then when I'm done, I highlight it. It's a really nice planner. I like it. It's great. So yeah, we're just gonna pack this up for class. I'm sitting here drinking my coffee, and I'm gonna take my vitamins. So these, my aunt sent me these a long time ago, and I've always rebought them since because I really like them. They're the Alive Women's Gummy Vitamins, and you just take 2 a day. They're like candy. I don't know. I just like eat them in the morning, and it just, I don't know. I feel productive. These are fish oil pills, but because I don't know, like they are stuck together. All of them are stuck together. They smell like they smell so nasty. They're fish oil pills though, nature made, and that's just because I read somewhere that fish oil helps like your skin and your hair grow and your nails and things like that. I know I could take biotin, but I took biotin like a long time ago when I was younger, and I didn't really see anything from it. So now I just take fish oil, and I feel like it helps. So now that I've taken my vitamins, I'm probably gonna pour this coffee in a to-go cup so I can make it to class. I'm gonna go to my lecture and be bored and then come back. So this is this is what I'm wearing to class. I'm literally wearing the big t-shirt I slept in. I put some Lulu shorts on, and I have my Yeezys on, and I look like a dead animal. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing to class. It's a lecture class, and because it's so early, I don't ever feel like getting ready. Like, why would I get ready for, no, I just don't get ready for class. So this is me. Okay guys, I'm back from class. It was just so interesting. Yeah, it's a lecture, so obviously nothing I can really show you guys, but I'm starving because it's 10:15 now, so now it's time for breakfast. That's why I don't eat before I go to class. So let's go see what we have to offer. I was gonna do just cereal, but my air conditioning kicked on. I was gonna do just cereal, but I'm almost out of almond milk and I kind of want my almond milk for my coffee, so I'm not gonna have cereal. I just need to go to the store and get more. So we're gonna do an egg bagel thing. So let's be productive here. We're gonna find some drama channels to watch.
It's like the entire beauty community, they're all at each other's throats.
Look at it. Oh, we're gonna ruin it. Bye. This is my dairy-free cream cheese. It's pretty good. It does taste kind of nutty, I'm not gonna lie. Here are my bagels, and then we're gonna come over here. Come here. Come here, buddy. And then you just put her there. Now that we're back, it's still the morning time. I really want to clean my room. I just changed into comfy clothes. This top is from Brandy Melville. My roommate Sedona bought it for me. Shout out Sedona. These pants are from Urban Outfitters. I don't know what they're called, but they're like the most comfortable pants, but they're like not flattering at all. Like, look at my, okay. I really need to organize a bunch of stuff. Like, look at all of these Sigma brushes I just have laying around. I have not unpacked my suitcase from Hawaii. I have a box of trash there. All of this stuff on my desk. I need to clean up. I need to make my bed, my bathroom. Like, what is that? What is that? We're gonna have a little tidying up montage here while I clean my room, organize, things like that, because this is what I do on a daily, on a college morning routine. I just clean my room and organize. Ooh, I think I'm gonna light a candle. I'm gonna get my favorite candle. Hold on. This is the best candle ever. It is from Bath and Body Works. I only have one more of them though, so I'm gonna try and look for them like on Amazon or something, or on Bath and Body Works, and buy like a pack of 10 or something, because they're my favorite candle and I don't know when they're gonna stop selling them. It smells like honey, but it's also a really good fall candle. It's really sweet, and I really need to go to Bath and Body Works and buy more candles because I'm out right now. Speaking of being out, this one is empty, so we're just gonna replace where that one was with this guy. Oh my god. So here's my room now. My bed's all tidy. I cleaned my desk up and organized it a little bit. I have a problem with these like shoes over here. I just don't have enough closet space for them, so I have to keep them here, but I hate that they're here. Like, it bothers me so much. Same with that stuff over there. I don't have room for it anywhere, so it just sits out, but I need to eventually organize that, just not today. But then I did my little desk area with the best candle ever. Just look at it, it's so cute now. So yeah, I organized all of this. I feel good. I feel like I did something productive today. So I have class later, and normally because my morning class, I don't ever feel like getting ready. I just don't put makeup. I don't put makeup on. I don't really fix myself. But for my afternoon classes, I'm downtown all day, and sometimes I like to get kind of ready, fix my face, put some makeup on. And so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do my makeup, and then I'm gonna go to class, and that's probably gonna be the end of my morning routine because it just won't be morning anymore. But yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup now. Fix this. While I do my makeup, I'm gonna catch up on Keeping Up with the Kardashians. I haven't seen the last 2 episodes, and I really wanna watch this one, so I'm gonna watch it while I do my makeup. Okay, I'm a little paler than normal. I know you guys are always like, oh, you're not even pale, but I haven't got a spray tan in a while. I've been like on and off self-tanning, but I'm using this today. I just used it on my face for a foundation, and I'm in love with it. It's the Too Faced Do You full coverage fresh glow foundation. It smells like watermelon. It smells so good. It's the Too Faced new Tutti Frutti collection, and I really do like it. I used it in the shade Almond. I have a bunch of the shades here, but they're really good, and I haven't used this shade because I haven't been this pale, but like my skin looks so glowy and nice. It's definitely not full coverage. I don't feel like it says full coverage. It says full coverage, but I don't feel like it is full coverage. You can still see some of my blemishes through there, and I did apply a little bit much, so I don't think it's full coverage, but I just want to show you guys because I do like the color of it, and I like the way it feels on my skin. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the It Cosmetics CC cream that they have coverage wise, but the smell of it is so good. It literally smells like fresh watermelon. It smells amazing, and I really like it.
We have finally landed in Japan, the land of the...
Okay guys, I have a confession. For the past, what month is it? It's the 10th month. For the past 10 months, actually probably 8 months, I have not done anything eyeshadow wise on my eyes. I don't know if you guys have noticed. I could literally put up all of these Instagram pictures, and I literally only do a setting color, which is white, and then a very, very light brown in the crease, and then I do eyeliner. I kind of went for like a more minimalistic eyeshadow look for like the past however many months. I've just kind of been in a rut with like coming up with makeup ideas. That's why in a lot of my get ready with me's and my makeup tutorials, I've literally just been doing 2 colors on my eyes and a shimmery shadow on the brow, and that's literally it. I'm feeling super fall today, and this is very rare, and I also just got all these brushes from Sigma like a few days ago. Literally, look how sick this is. You saw all the brushes I already cleaned up. That's how many they sent me, plus they sent me this entire like booklet of brushes, and I really want to try the eyeshadow brushes out, but it's like I can't try them out if I don't do eyeshadow. So I'm gonna do an older look that I used to do all the time, and I'm gonna use my Born to, what is this, Run palette from Urban Decay. I'm not gonna give you guys like a full tutorial. I know this is a morning routine, but I figured I would include this because like whatever, this is what I would do. But I want to try these brushes out. They're still in the little packaging. This one is a tapered blending brush, E40. I'm gonna use this right now. I'm gonna do like a light orangey look, make it smoky, and then I'm gonna do some winged liner. I haven't ever done winged liner with colored eyeshadow before, because I haven't done my eyeshadow in literally 8 months. Like, you think I'm exaggerating. So yeah, we're gonna try this out today, and if I look like a clown, then this whole makeup look is ruined, and I forgot how to do eyeshadow, so. Here's the eyeshadow. It's just a little orangey brown vibe. I haven't fixed like my blush or put highlighter on or anything, or eyeliner, but let's see eyeshadow. Alrighty folks, I'm dressed. I'm wearing this top from Brandy, some boyfriend jeans, and some Nikes. It's kind of cool out in Arizona now. It's like 70-ish, 77 I think today. So yeah, this is my outfit. I am always really cold, so I always wear like jeans and long sleeves in the heat. So yeah, I'm about to just grab my backpack. I have to drive downtown for class because my classes are downtown. That's self-explanatory. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this morning routine, spending my morning with me so I'm not alone. I love filming these because it's like I'm talking to someone while I get ready, while I have breakfast and things like that. So I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to check out Vanity Planet. I will leave all the links and everything listed down below so that you guys can go click them and use my discount code Keaton70 for 70% off. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this morning routine. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I'm making lots of college content and things like that. So thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.